everybody, this is Mrs. Roeder, your media specialist here at Ocean Breeze Elementary, and today we are going to read aloud one of the K through 2nd grade SSYRA junior books. But to do that, first we're going to start by doing a BPS Launchpad Google search, and always clicking on the top link, Launchpad Brevard. And if you need to sign in, it is your student number at Brevard Schools and whatever your password is. Now, once you're into your Launchpad, you are looking for this BPS SORA app right here. It looks like a little space guy shooting off into space. But if you can't find him easily, then come up here to your search bar and type in SORA, S-O-R-A, and it will narrow down your apps till you see the BPS SORA app. Go ahead and click on it. Once you are in SORA, you're looking for collections, or I'm looking for collections because I want the SSYRA Junior 2021. That is the K through 2nd grade SSYRA Junior books. So I'm going to click on that. The only one that's available right now for checkout is Ella McKeen, Kickball Queen. I know that because it says borrow. So if it says borrow, that means that I can start reading it right away. Go ahead and click on borrow. Now, I had started reading this book before, so it kind of skipped me up a few pages, but I'm going to start from the beginning. And here is the cover of our book. And here is the title page. Everybody say title page. Good. The title page has the title of the book, Ella McKeen, Kickball Queen, and it also has the author's name, Beth Mills. This page over here is called the dedication page. Everybody say dedication page. Very good. This one is dedicated to Mom and Dad for everything. The dedication page is where the author and or illustrator dedicate the book to someone that they care about. Now let's get started with our story. When Ella McKeen steps up to the plate, everyone knows what to do. Move back! Move back! Ella smiles at Kyle Sultana, the pitcher. Ella smiles at her classmates on the field. Her kicks have never been caught. Not the zinger, not the bouncer, and definitely not the bomb. Oh no, mutters Kyle as he winds up for his pitch. Here it comes. Kapow! The ball arcs through the air, higher and higher until it is lost in the sun. The outfielders groan. It's a home run for sure. But then... I've got it! I've got it! I've got it! Raya Patel, the new girl, is racing toward the falling ball. Oh no, thinks Ella, but nobody can catch. Thwop! Wow, what a great catch, yells Kyle. Everyone starts cheering, even Ella's own team. Ella's stomach drops to her feet. Her hands clench into fists. She feels a twisty, turny, terrible burning in her chest. Her cheeks get hot. Her eyes fill with tears and... No, that's not fair! That's my best kick. Nobody can catch the bomb. I don't want to be out. I want a do-over. I was going to get a home run. That's not fair. You're supposed to do that. Everything. I don't want to play with. I'm the best. No, you. To lose? I never. Ella suddenly stops. It is very quiet. There is no one cheering. There is no more talking. There is no more noise anywhere, and everyone is looking at her. Ella feels like crawling under home plate and staying there forever. Sorry. Nobody hears her over the end of recess bell. For the rest of the day, Ella can't stop thinking about what happened, and Raya, and how everyone stared, and how she wanted to hide. Ella thinks about going to school in the morning, and she feels even worse. The next morning, Ella is pretty sure everyone is avoiding her, and she tries not to even look at Raya. But on the way to recess, Ella's stomach starts to drop. She will have to see Raya on the field. The captains start to pick teams. Ella knows she has to say something. She takes a deep breath and jogs over to Raya. Look, I'm sorry for yesterday. That catch was really good, but I'm the kickball queen here. Nobody's ever caught any of my kicks before. Well, okay, says Raya, but you should know, I was the kickball queen at my old school, definitely the best, and I can catch anything, so you'd better watch out. Really? Replies Ella. We'll see about that. Raya smiles and says, challenge accepted. At the top of the second inning, Raya catches the bouncer after only 2 bounces and tags Ella out as she rounds second. Ella's stomach drops to her feet. Her hands clench into fists. She feels a twisty, turny, terrible burning in her chest. Her cheeks get hot. Her eyes fill with tears. And Ella takes a deep breath. She walks up to Raya and says, good catch! As Ella runs back to the bench, she thinks, I wonder if Raya could catch the zinger. The end. I hope you enjoyed that story. Now what I want you to do is to draw a picture of yourself playing kickball with your friends. Maybe make a nice big round red ball and show how you are a good sport like Ella became. At first, Ella got really upset and she didn't act so kindly when she didn't win. But then she learned how to be a better sport. And that's where, instead of getting upset when she didn't win, she congratulated the other player. So go ahead and draw a picture of you playing kickball with your friends and being a good sport. I can't wait to see all of your pictures. At the end of this class, when your teacher comes back on, you can show your teachers the pictures you created. Have a great day, and until next time, bye!